Charming, absolutely charming.
Away from the front lawn, a discreet path leads to a woodland area with lots of surprises.
Look at this.
Hen's teeth. What, did many foxes die for that or what?
I think it's how many basil brushes.
How many basil brushes here? And look at this heavenly boutilon.
Oh, look at that.
I'm a
That colour.
sucker for pale mauve.
That colour against the sky.
Isn't that just gorgeous?
Do you know, we've come into
Something
an
lovely.
absolute delightful
It's
woodland
absolute
glade
delight.
with an amazing collection of plants. There's some humour with the planting that's been introduced. I would not have expected a
I know.
solanum there. I wouldn't have expected the abutilon. Anyway, this is charming. Charming.
Charming and easily copyable.